Hey everyone, Josh Baldwin with Vegan Fit here. Excited to be back for another vlog. It has been a while since I've done one of these, so I'm excited to get back to it. Today I'm going to be showing you everything that I eat today, and I'm also going to be showing you a full back and bicep workout, as well as some cool footage with some of my clients so you can see how I train. Let's go and get started with a killer oatmeal breakfast. Alright, so I just finished off that huge bowl of oatmeal. It's about 750 calories. I was eating more like 1,100 calorie breakfasts up until recently, but right now I've got a pec tear that's been going on, or pec strain I should say, that's been bugging me now for a few months, and I'm starting to lose my chest a little bit because I can't do chest exercises. So the last thing I want is to have a big stomach and no chest. That'll look pretty stupid. So I'm going to cut back on the calories a little bit, try to lean out a little bit more so I don't look so ridiculous. If I don't have a chest, I definitely can't have a stomach with that. So next up, I'm going to be making some lunch. I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. We're going to be making some lentil stew today, one of my favorite recipes. I've already made a video for this recipe, but I love making it. I'm making some for the whole week, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. If you guys have any ideas or recommendations for videos, if you guys want to see more videos on, recipes, or if you want to see more videos on like how to become a trainer or how to get abs, whatever it is, just let me know down in the comment section and I'd be glad to make a video for you guys. I'm going to go and get to work making some more videos, and I'll see you guys at lunch. Alright, so I'm getting hungry again. Time for some lunch. I'm going to keep it really simple. I made a big batch of lentil stew in the pressure cooker. I've got the recipe down in the description for you. All I'm going to do is take that lentil stew, put it in a bowl. First up though, I shredded up a bunch of kale, and I basically put it all together, threw it in the bowl, kind of got it kind of compact here. And all I'm going to do is take the lentil stew and pour it on top. I do this with black beans, whatever kind of bean or legume I'm making at the time, or whatever kind of stew. Pour it on top. Let it sit for maybe just a few minutes on top, maybe 2 minutes. It cooks the greens down. Make sure that whether it's kale or spinach or turnip greens, it's gonna taste so good. It's much better than putting it in the stew where that stuff sits for 4 or 5 days while you're eating it. You get it fresh every time. It only takes me 5 seconds to rip a handful of kale out, shred it up, put it in a bowl, done. It's been about an hour and a half since I ate, so I'm feeling pretty good right now. I don't like to go to the gym on a really full stomach. I feel like my workout kind of suffers from that, but I also don't want to be too hungry either. So I'm making a quick little pre-workout shake, get some energy up for the workout. It's going to be a tough one today. I like to use 2 different pre-workout shakes. I do a half serving of each because it gives me kind of a more varied set of nutrients. So I use these 2. I use the Vega Sport pre-workout, and then I also use this Pure Pump. The Pure Pump's got a little more like an amino acid profile, a little bit of creatine, a little bit of beta alanine, stuff like that. And then the Vega stuff is a little more like ginseng, turmeric root, ginger root, all that kind of natural energy stuff. So this is a good combination in my opinion. Again, I do a half serving of each, and that's a pretty good combo. I don't take them every single day, but I take them probably 3 times a week, something like that, when I've got some low energy and I need that extra boost. To me, I find that helps a lot. Not just the initial energy, but mainly actually it's the kind of longevity of it. So if I've got a long workout ahead and an hour, 15 minutes into it, I'm usually feeling pretty beat. this maybe give you an extra 20-30 minutes where I've got some extra energy and I can push it a little bit harder. Now, all my workouts aren't always that long. A lot of times my workouts are only about an hour, hour 15, but just depends on the day. Today I'm gonna shoot for about an hour and a half, push it really hard, do some back and biceps. So let's head to the gym. As you guys can see here, I'm only going about 80% up on these, and that's due to that pec tear that I talked about earlier. So unfortunately, I can't get that lat stretch, that lat squeeze that I would like to get at the top, but I'm still getting about 80% range of motion here, and I'm still able to get that good squeeze in my back. Here's one of my favorite ways to end a workout. I'm gonna pick whatever muscle group I work that day, hit the abs with it and the cardio at the same time. So today we're gonna be doing 5 sets of concentration curls, followed by leg lifts, right to V-ups, and then finishing up with 30 seconds of some type of intense cardio. This might be high knees, or calf hops, or burpees, whatever it is, just push it. You can do 5 sets, no break. Alright, so I just got done at the gym, had a really good back and bicep workout with Ricky. I'm going to go home, make a quick shake, and then head to my sessions.
All right, so I just got to my first session. Go ahead and get ready for a client workout montage.
ANDROZIIX rentre dans le game.
Alright, so that is it. I'm done for the night. I'm going to head home, get some dinner, hang out with Jamie, probably watch some Walking Dead or something like that, and hopefully we'll start putting this video together.
Alright, so before I sit down and relax tonight, I'm going to make some dinner. I'm going to make some of my favorite tofu. This is that Twin Oaks tofu I've talked about many, many times. Really good stuff. Make some broccoli, some lentils from earlier, and that's it. All right, guys, so I just wrapped up dinner. It was so delicious. Lentils were good, the broccoli was good, and that Twin Oaks tofu with the Frank's hot sauce is so good. I swear, it's like, feels like you're cheating really badly, but it's actually just delicious. Such good tofu. If you guys have a chance, definitely get that Twin Oaks tofu. Let me know if you guys have any thoughts or questions or anything like that down in the comments section. If you guys liked the video, hit the like button. I'll keep making these vlogs. I definitely enjoyed it. Had a really good food day, good breakfast, good lunch, good shake, good dinner. Awesome all the way around. Had a great workout with Ricky today. Had really good time at my sessions. All my clients, I'm very fortunate, are really easy to work with. They work hard. That's why they get results. And they're all just, you know, really easy to be around. And it's just, I'm very lucky to have the clients that I have. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I want to hear from you. Otherwise, I'll see you guys at the next video.
Shut down.